In this short tutorial, I will show you how to convert a Word document to a PDF on your mobile device. Converting a file from Word to PDF is quick and easy and can be done in just a few simple steps. To get started, open up the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and then go over to the Search tab. After that, tap on the search bar and type in Microsoft 365. Tap Search. Then select this exact app from the search results. What you want to do next is download and install it on your device. Then open the Microsoft 365 app. Then tap Apps at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now you'll see an option called PDF Tools. Convert files to PDFs and make edits. Tap on the Open button next to it. Then select Document to PDF. And then locate your Word document. For me, it's on my iPhone. Tap and select it. As you can see, it is now converting to a PDF. What you want to do next is tap on the More button at the bottom right corner. Then tap Save As. And then select the location where you want to save the PDF file. Tap Save at the top right to finish the process. Now you can navigate to where you saved the PDF file and access it, share it, and do whatever you want with it. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.